The world of flavor and cuisine has always fascinated humans. Our love for food is not only rooted in its ability to nourish our bodies but also in its ability to provide us with sensory pleasure. From the smell of freshly baked bread to the umami taste of a perfectly cooked steak, food has the power to evoke strong emotions and memories. However, have you ever wondered what makes food taste the way it does? What is the science behind the flavors we experience when we eat? In this video, we explore the world of taste and cuisine and delve into the science behind the flavors we love. Taste is one of the five senses and is essential to our survival. Our sense of taste helps us identify and avoid harmful substances, such as spoiled food or poisonous plants. Taste is also crucial in determining the nutritional value of food, as our taste buds can detect the presence of essential nutrients such as sugar, salt, and amino acids. However, taste is more than just a survival mechanism, it is also a source of pleasure and enjoyment. The flavors we experience when we eat can affect our mood, our memories, and even our behavior. To understand the science of taste, we need to look at the anatomy of our taste buds. Our taste buds are located on the tongue, and they contain specialized cells called taste receptor cells. These cells are responsible for detecting the different tastes we experience when we eat, such as sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and umami. The taste receptor cells are connected to nerve fibers, which send signals to the brain, allowing us to perceive taste. One of the most interesting tastes is umami, which is often described as a savory or meaty flavor. Umami was first identified in 1908 by a Japanese chemist named Kikune Ikeda. Ikeda noticed that a broth made from seaweed had a unique flavor that could not be explained by the four traditional tastes: sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. Ikeda discovered that the unique flavor was due to the presence of an amino acid called glutamate. Glutamate is now known to be the primary component of umami taste, and it is found in many foods, such as meat, cheese, mushrooms, and soy sauce. As we explored earlier, taste is a complex sense that is influenced by a variety of factors. One of the most important is the role of our sense of smell. In fact, the majority of what we perceive as taste actually comes from the smell of the food we're eating. When we chew, the molecules in our food are released into the air and travel through our nasal passages, where they are detected by the olfactory receptors. But taste isn't just about our physical senses. Our expectations, memories, and cultural background can also play a role in how we perceive taste. For example, if we have positive associations with a certain food or flavor, we may enjoy it more than someone who doesn't have those associations. Similarly, if we're used to eating spicy or salty foods, we may have a higher tolerance for those flavors than someone who isn't. Another fascinating aspect of taste is the way our brain processes flavor information. When we eat, the taste buds on our tongue send signals to the brain, which interprets the information and produces the sensation of taste. However, taste is not just about the tongue, it is also influenced by other factors such as smell, texture, and temperature. For example, the aroma of freshly baked bread can enhance the flavor of the bread, even before it enters our mouth. Similarly, the texture of food can affect the way we perceive taste. Foods with a creamy texture, such as ice cream, can create a sense of richness, whereas foods with a crunchy texture, such as potato chips, can create a sense of freshness. In addition to taste, let's also explore the cultural and social aspects of cuisine. Food is not just about nourishment, it is also an integral part of our culture and identity. Different cultures have their own unique cuisines, which reflect their history, traditions, and beliefs. Food can also bring people together, creating social bonds and fostering relationships. Sharing a meal with friends and family is a universal human experience that transcends cultural and linguistic barriers. One of the most intriguing cultural aspects of cuisine is the concept of flavor pairing. Flavor pairing is the practice of combining foods that share similar flavor compounds, which can enhance the overall flavor of the dish. For example, the flavor compounds found in strawberries also occur in balsamic vinegar, which is why strawberry and balsamic vinegar make a delicious flavor combination. Similarly, the flavor compounds found in tomatoes also occur in basil, which is why tomato and basil make a classic flavor pairing in Italian cuisine. Flavor pairing is not just a matter of trial and error, it is also backed by science. In recent years, researchers have developed a technique called flavor pairing analysis to identify flavor compounds that are shared between different foods. This technique has led to some surprising and innovative flavor combinations, such as chocolate and blue cheese or pineapple and cilantro. However, the science of taste is not just about creating new and exciting flavor combinations. It is also about understanding the impact of taste on our health. The Western diet, which is high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, has been linked to a range of health problems, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. By understanding the science of taste, we can develop healthier eating habits and make more informed food choices. One way to develop healthier eating habits is to focus on natural flavors. Natural flavors are derived from real food sources, such as fruits, vegetables, and herbs, and do not contain artificial additives or chemicals. By incorporating more natural flavors into our diet, we can reduce our intake of processed and unhealthy foods and improve our overall health and well-being. Another way to improve our eating habits is to pay attention to the sensory experience of food. By savoring the flavors, textures, and aromas of food, we can increase our enjoyment of meals and reduce the likelihood of overeating. Mindful eating, which involves paying attention to the sensory experience of food and eating slowly and intentionally, has been shown to be an effective tool for weight management and improving overall health. The science of taste is a fascinating and complex topic that encompasses biology, chemistry, culture, and health. By understanding the science behind the flavors we experience when we eat, we can make more informed food choices, develop healthier eating habits, and enhance our enjoyment of meals. The world of flavor and cuisine is constantly evolving, and it is exciting to think about the new discoveries and innovations that await us in the future. Do you know other interesting facts about the science of taste that were not mentioned? Please comment below and share your knowledge. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.